we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more hard-to-guess words. In English, how do you go about pronouncing this one? Situation. You do want to stress on the third syllable, the A syllable. Note the chu sound. It's not strictly a T sound, but rather a chu sound. Situation. Situation. Pretty straightforward once you know. Situation. And now you know. Did you get it? Could you hear the pronunciation? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.